Okay, topic is searching. Searching is nothing but you can see here we are having two types of searching, that is nothing but linear search and binary search. For which purpose we are using searching is nothing but to find a particular element in the list. For that purpose we are using the concept of searching. The definition of searching is nothing but identifying or finding a particular record is nothing but a searching. Next one, second point under the searching is nothing but you can see here we can pass the elements in the sorted order or unsorted order, we can pass as an input. Next one is nothing but you can see here from starting index to last index we will search the values in the list. List is nothing but element we are passing, that is nothing but a list. Second one is nothing but you can see here searching is divided into two types, that is nothing but first one is nothing but linear search or binary search is the first one. Second one is nothing but a binary search is the second one. In the linear search, how the operation will be performed in the linear search you can see here. That is simplest method of searching technique is nothing but a linear search. Next one is nothing but you can see here. This technique is used for, that is element to be found. In searching, the element to be found sequentially in the list or not, for that purpose we are using the linear search. That is, this method can be performed on a sorted or unsorted list. Sorted list is nothing but you can see here in the ascending order we can pass as input, or otherwise unsorted order also we can pass the input. Next one, in case of searching, that is linear search, element searching will start with 0 index. You can see here in case of a sorted list, searching start with 0 index and continue until the element is found from the list of elements. That is nothing but a linear search procedure. That is one after the one, that is one after the other the element will be searched in the linear search. Next one you can see here, in case of unsorted list, begin with a 0 index and continue until that is element is found is reached, that is end of the list is reached or not, it will be checked. You can see here second point is none the linear search is nothing but you can see here searching in case of unsorted list is nothing but begin with the 0th index and continue until the end of the list is reached. That is if you pass an unsorted array in the searching procedure, this is the point and comes under this unsorted list. That is nothing but you can see here in case of unsorted list also begin from the 0th index and continue until the end of the list is reached. The diagrammatic representation of the linear. Next one, the diagrammatic representation of linear search is nothing but here you can see here. The diagrammatic representation to find the linear search is nothing but the element we have passed in the array is nothing but 10, 50, 30, 70, 80, 60, 20, 90 and 40. Total around 9 elements are passed in the array. Next one we have to search the element 20. Next 20 is searched with the 10th element, that is 0th index. Next one, after comparing the element is not found. Next I value will be increased to 0 to 1, that is the value is nothing but 50 is the in the second position. Next one you can see here the element is checked with that is I value will be incremented to 2. Next it is checked with the 30 is checked with 20. Next one I value will be increased to 3. Next one the comparison will be in between 70 and 20. Next one I value will be increased to 4. Next one the comparison in between 80 and 20 it will be performed. Next one, next I value will be increased to 5. Next the comparison will be in between 60 and 70, the comparison will be performed. Next one the element is not identical. Next I value will be increased to 6. Next one 20 equal to 20, that is element that is match has been found. Next one in the list, that is 20 and 20 the elements have identical, that's why searching of linear search has been completed. Next one, the procedure in the linear search is nothing but you can see here in the Java implementation how to perform the linear search is nothing but to search a key element from multiple values we are using a linear search. Here you can see here the point is nothing but to search a key element from a multiple elements, that is linear search is less used today, but that is why, because it is slower for searching. For that purpose we are not using the binary search, linear search procedure. When compared to binary search, linear search is that is slower, that's why we are not using the linear search procedure. Next one, the algorithm for linear search is nothing but you can see here. First step is nothing but we have to traverse the list. Next one is nothing but step 2 is nothing but you can see here. We have to send the key element, which element we have to search, that is nothing but a step 2. Next one is nothing but step 3. Step 3 is nothing but you can see here, if the element is found, then the array index will be sent, that is nothing but the third step. Next one, if the element is not found, next one it will return the value as -1. This is the algorithm for the linear search. First step is nothing but we have to pass the list. Next one is nothing but we have to pass the key element in the step 2. Step 3 is nothing but the element is identical, then it will return the index position. Next one, if the element is not found, then it will return the output as -1. Next one, how we can implement the linear search in Java, you can see here. Next one is nothing but you can see here, main function. The program execution start with a main program. Next one you can see here, public static void main. Next one, string of arguments we have to pass. Next one is nothing but you can see here, static values we are declaring to the array, that is a1 we are passing the element as 10 20 30 40, that is 50 70 90 we are passing. Next we have to search the element, that is 50 we have to search the element in the list. Next 50 will be searched with 10. Second, I value will be incremented to 1. Next it will be compared with 20 and 50. Next I value will be incremented to 2. Next it will be comparison in between 50, that is 30 and 50, the comparison will be there. Next one, value is not identical, that's why I value will be incremented to 4. Next 50 and 50 it will be compared. Next both the values are identical, then it will return the position as 50. Next, how the execution of this program you can see here. First, the static variables we have passed. Next one, key element we have to search is nothing but 50. In the system.out.println statement, you can see here we are calling the function that is linear search. In the linear search, we are passing the argument as a1. a1 is nothing but the array values, that is 10 20 30 50 70 90 will be passed to the a1. Next key value is nothing but 50 is the key value we have to search in the list. Next directly it will jump to, that is linear search. Here you can see here, public static int linear search it will be jump. Next one, ARR is nothing but you can see here 10 20. Next the values will be stored in ARR, that is array values, a1 values will be stored in ARR. Next one, key value is nothing but 50 will be stored in the key value. Next starting you can see here, the I value is represented with 0. Next I less than ARR dot length. ARR dot length is nothing but you can see here, that is ARR dot length is nothing but to find a length of position, that is 0 index 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is the index value. Next one you can see here, ARR dot length means it returns 5 value, that is 0 less than 5, condition is true. Then you can see here ARR of 5. ARR of 5 is nothing but 10 is equal to, that is comparison key, that is 50, not identical. Next one, condition is false. Next I value will be incremented, that is 0 will be incremented to 1. Next one, 0 that is 20 value. 20 value is nothing but you can see here, that is 1 less than 5, condition is true. Next one, A of 5 is nothing but 20. 20 equal to 50, no, not identical. Next I value will be incremented. I value will be incremented to how much? 2. Next 2 less than 5, condition is true. Next one you can see here, ARR of 5. ARR of 5 is nothing but ARR of 2. ARR of 2 value is nothing but 30. 30 equal to 50, not identical. Next I value will be incremented to, that is 3. Next one, ARR of 3 is nothing but you can see here 50. 50. Next one you can see here, ARR of 5 is nothing but 50. 50 equal to 50, that is both are identical. Next one, it returns the value as I value. I value position is nothing but 3 is the value it will be written, that is 0 1 2 3, that is nothing but you can see here 50 position is nothing but you can see here 3 is the position. It will be generated output as a 3 if you execute the linear search program by passing the static values as 10 20 30 50 70 90. 50 position is nothing but 3, it returns, that is key value is nothing but 50, that is 50 is found at index is nothing but you can see here 50 is found at index, 3 will be written as a final output for this program. That is the meaning of this linear search example. Next one you can see here, searching is nothing but to identify particular element we are using the searching procedure. Next one,